welcome to another episode of Steam Fun. Today we're gonna make Fun-Oobleck. So let's get started. Fun-Oobleck is another super messy project. It's better to do it outside like we are, or in a kitchen, someplace you can clean it up. Here's another really important tip about Fun-Oobleck. Don't dump it down your drain or your kitchen sink or anything like that, because it can clog your pipes up really, really badly. So when you're done playing with your Fun-Oobleck, you're just going to take it and dump it in the garbage can, okay?
Okay, so these are the supplies you'll need. You'll need cornstarch, so they can come in like a box or a container like that. Water, a container or bowl, something to stir it, so like a spoon or a stick, measuring cups.
You have the two kinds.
And then food coloring if you want your Fun-Oobleck to be a different color.
Alright.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure 1 cup of cornstarch into the mixing bowl.
I'll use this one. Let's open this one up. Right. Oh, there's sticks in here. Okay. About a cup. It's a little bit, I could probably level it off a little bit here. Now we can dump that into our dish, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So we're going to dump it into our bowl. Ooh!
A little messy.
It makes powder everywhere. It's okay. You can actually eat cornstarch. You can cook with it. So if you get it on your skin, you're not gonna like get poisoned or anything like that.
It's not harmful or anything. You're fine. The next
Right.
thing we're gonna do is we're going to measure out half a cup of water.
Okay, so it's 1 cup of cornstarch, half a cup of water. Okay. So we've got our liquid measuring cups. Half a cup, so you can find it. Half a cup is also 4 ounces if you only have that on your measuring cups. Alright, and now this is where you want to add your food coloring. So, what color are you going to make?
I'm thinking I'm going to do blue.
Okay, I think I'm going to try green. Now, generally, I do 2 to 3 drops. You can go a little bit more if mom and dad are okay with it. You can go less. You can mix colors, whatever you think. And then we're going to stir it.
Yeah, you're just going to take your spoon or your stick and you're going to stir it.
Ooh, that's a green. Alright. Pretty colors. Okay. So now
that we have our water and our cornstarch, what we're going to do is to make things a little easier. We're going to make a little hole in our cornstarch.
I don't know if you can see.
It's like a little crater. This way, when you pour the water in, it'll be easier to mix, and the water will get everywhere.
Alright, I'm going to put it down on the table, though, to pour my water.
Yes.
Now, do you recommend going all the way down, Miss Karolina, as much as possible?
Yes.
Okay. That's good to know. Alright, and then when you're ready, do you just pour in?
Yep, just pour in your water, and then you're going to stir.
Alright. And like the slime video last time, you just keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Ooh, it's getting a little clumpy already. Sometimes with Fun-Oobleck, one of the best ways to stir is to scrape along the bottom. I don't know if you can tell what I'm doing, but it makes it easier to mix the cornstarch and the water together. Ooh, it's getting lumpy. Look at that. You'll know you're done mixing when you can't see any more solid cornstarch. It's easier to tell if you've dyed your water, like use food coloring on your water, because then you'll see white for the cornstarch and then the colored for the Fun-Oobleck, the colored water mixed together.
Look, I still have some whites. I'm going to try try to get that out there.
Let's see. I have a little bit of white on the bottom. You can't really tell because the green is lighter, but that's how you can tell.
Just keep stirring.
Yep.
Just keep stirring.
Other thing to remember is if your oobleck feels too watery, just add a little more cornstarch. On the other hand, if it feels really, really thick, like your water isn't used up at all, but you still have white powder, just add a little bit more water. This is really kind of, you test it till you see what works for you. Ooh, this is very cool. I don't know if you can see, I'm sort of getting...
I feel like I need just a little touch of cornstarch.
Yeah, I might need a little bit more cornstarch. I've got a lot of water in here. Alright, can you just, a little bit more for me too? Thank you. Perfect. Alright. Also, sometimes if you like do a cutting motion to kind of cut it apart, that also can help mix it. I have some really good lumps in the bottom. Move that out of the way. Whew. Look at that.
Almost done, I think.
So that is the cool thing about oobleck. Alright. I think mine might be done actually.
I think so.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a plate. This is just a paper plate so we can toss it after. And I am going to, oh my gosh, dump my oobleck out onto the plate. I'm going to try to get as much out as possible. I might have to let it drip. So what is oobleck called, Miss Karolina?
Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means that it acts as a fluid, as a liquid and a solid, right? If you put pressure on oobleck, like if you hit it like I am with my sticks, it kind of acts like a solid. But if you just let it drip like Miss Meg is, it acts like a liquid.
This is so gross.
It's so cool.
Alright, so I've let most of it drip in. You can see it's very liquidy looking on my plate, except if I try to scoop it up with my stick, it's hard to see, but then it dribbles right off the stick like a liquid. So here's the fun part of oobleck. Now you can play with it. Alright, so let's see. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm banging on it and I'm not making any dents in it. And it's not really coming off on my finger either the way you'd think it would. But if I scrape it with my hands and then let it dribble out, oh, that's really gross.
I'm going to try mine out.
Woo! Whoa! Look at how fluid that looked when it just came right out.
Yes.
But then see how it's completely like...
Bang on it.
You can't really, I'm not making any dents in it. But then if we scrape, it turns into a liquid coming off my fingers. So non-Newtonian fluids are more common than you think. Things like honey and ketchup are also non-Newtonian fluids. So that's why sometimes it's hard to get ketchup out of the bottle when you shake it. You just have to let it pour out.
And then even the slime we did last time is a non-Newtonian fluid.
So this is a lot of fun to play with. Remember do this in a place where you can clean up easily.
And once you're done playing with it, make sure that you toss it in the garbage, in the trash can.
Now, I will show you, so I played with it. It's already drying into a powder on my hands. So it's really easy to clean up. You just go to a garbage can, and using a paper towel, you just wipe your hands off over the garbage can. So it's really easy to clean up. Just make sure you try to get as much of the cornstarch up as possible. You don't want it like on your rug or your table.
No, that would be bad.
Ooh, and it's making bubbles. That's awesome. All right, so thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you have fun making Fun-Oobleck with us, and hopefully you'll try it at home.
Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more STEAM fun videos and for our blooper reel coming soon. Bye.